Great form, great function. Your mission? Produce great audio. Gaming isn't a solo experience. Podcasting isn't private. YouTube is huge. Creating content is social. We want to share, and we want to respect our audience's ears. For Twitch streamers, YouTube creators, ASMR artists, and podcasters, the Samson Satellite is a broadcast quality microphone with all the tools you need to get the job done. You fit the sound to your project. Dual condenser capsules deliver 3 selectable pickup patterns to optimize your sound. Cardioid focuses the microphone pickup in front of the microphone, rejecting sound behind the mic. Figure 8 records sounds evenly in front and behind the mic, and Omni captures sound all around the microphone. An internal shock mount isolates the capsules to minimize noise from any vibration. Capture broadcast quality 24-bit 96 kHz audio at home or on the go. The satellite is plug and play, meaning there are no drivers to install. It's ready to connect to PCs over USB or on Apple iPhones and iPads with the included lightning cable. And a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack keeps you in time with your audience thanks to zero latency monitoring. We want to prevent any noise from distracting your audience, which is why Satellite uses a touch capacitive mute button. Podcasters and streamers can quickly mute during a live stream or recording, and their audience won't hear any mechanical noise from the mic. All this capability packed into a durable, attractive case. No need for a desktop stand. The fold-out legs adjust for any angle you might need, but you can always mount the satellite to a traditional mic stand. And of course, all of the VO for this video was recorded on the satellite. Classic design, high-performance hardware, the audio tech to capture that podcast, and a great look to put on camera for your next stream. The Samson Satellite is simply out of this world.
The QuadCast has 4 selectable polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. Each of these patterns will change the direction from where the sound is picked up. If you're recording something with vocals or instruments that you want to output in 2-channel stereo, then select the stereo setting. While in this mode, the QuadCast will record audio as a stereo image, so you can easily record stereo audio without needing a second microphone. Omnidirectional is the pattern to select if you want to record all the sound in the entire room. This is useful in settings like a conference call or a multi-person podcast. Cardioid is the best setting for a single audio source directly in front of the microphone. This setting would be used for things like single-person streaming and voiceovers, like this one. If you're recording a face-to-face interview, the bidirectional pattern will be the setting you want to use, since it captures sound from the front and back. The QuadCast has a convenient tap-to-mute sensor. Simply tap the top of the mic to mute it. The LED indicator makes it easy to tell whether you're muted. If the LED indicator is lit, the mic is active. If it's off, the mic is muted. Knowing your mic status will help prevent stream fails and other broadcast accidents. If you're coming in too soft or too loud, you can adjust the mic sensitivity on the QuadCast by adjusting the gain. To adjust the gain on the QuadCast, use the dial located at the bottom of the microphone. You can connect a headset to monitor your microphone output. Just plug a headset into the back of the QuadCast and you can hear what is being captured. The QuadCast comes with a 3/8 and 5/8 inch adapter that fits most mic arms. Remove the screw connecting the mic to the stand. Attach the mount adapter, and the QuadCast and its built-in shock mount can now be attached to the boom arm.
Great audio just got easier. Introducing the VoIA BYWM3D for Lightning and BYWM3U for USB-C devices. Both have an interchangeable connector, so you can use them with TRS and TRRS devices as well. Crystal clear audio will not be an issue.
Okay team, it's time for our cooldown. Let's breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth.
Whether you're vlogging about your favorite new piece of tech, showing your followers your favorite looks for the season, or teaching a class from home, they allow you to step away from your device while your voice remains close.
Okay guys, now that we're set up, we're gonna get into lesson number 2.
Setup is easy. Simply press the pairing button in the included 1000 milliamp charging case and slide in your desired connector to the receiver. Attach the included foam windscreen for indoors or the included furry windscreen for outdoors. Simply clip the transmitter near your mouth. Clip the receiver to your tablet, phone, camera, or computer, and start recording. As you can see, there's these new features of the lock on the top and bottom of this model. The battery life is 4 hours for the transmitter and 8 hours for the receiver. and each can receive an additional full charge from the case. And the case can also be charged with a power bank to keep you up and running all day between shots. The BOYA-WM3D for Lightning and BOYA-WM3U for USB-C devices are the perfect microphone system for content creators, whether at home or on the go.
Big sound can come in small packages. Say hello to the GoMic, one of the world's smallest and most versatile USB condenser microphones. GoMic aims to deliver a multi-purpose, high-quality microphone that's also easy to use. But don't let its small size fool you. While keeping portability in mind, GoMic houses a professional condenser microphone element, which is just as capable in the studio as it is out on the road. GoMic's innovative fold-up design swivels out to serve as a base. It can clip to a monitor or a laptop, and includes a thread to attach it to a microphone stand or a tripod. The switchable pickup pattern allows users to focus the GoMic with a cardioid shape for vocals and speech, or open the mic up to omnidirectional for recording everything around it. A negative 10 decibel pad comes in handy when capturing loud sources, and the LED flashes red when the signal starts to peak, allowing you to set the proper level for whatever you're capturing. GoMic also features a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack for latency-free direct monitoring, allowing you to hear the audio you capture in real time. And it's well accessorized out of the box, with the included carry case and USB cable. Gear you can rely on. GoMic requires zero setup, no drivers. It's plug and play on Mac and PC, and it can even work with most of your Android and iOS devices. This makes GoMic a great option for improving any audio, production, or recording situation. Dramatically improve voice-over IP call quality compared to built-in smartphone and laptop microphones. Spruce up a live stream or game chat with higher quality audio. It's an invaluable companion for voiceover artists and road warrior podcasters, or a handy solution for singer-songwriters capturing inspiration on the fly. And all of the voiceover for this video was recorded on the Samson GoMic. The Samson GoMic is small, but it captures a big sound, and it has all the tools you'll need to get the job done.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.